April 2024 Lakeview Chicago Condo Market Report. If you're looking to buy or sell a condo, here's all the data you need to know about the report in Lakeview, Chicago. Let's dive in and see the latest real estate trends and data. The median sales price for condos hit a $475,000. That's an impressive 12% increase from last month and 11% higher than April 2023. Condos are selling really fast and more than the asking price, with the sales price ratio of 100.63%. We saw 105 properties sold in April, a significant jump of 47.89% from the previous month. However, it's a little bit down by 6.25 from last year of April 2023. The days on the market dropped to 17 days. That's the fastest we've seen compared in the last 2 years. So if you're selling, it's a good thing to sell now. The price per square footage increased to $333 per square foot, which is 8% higher from last month and 2% higher last year. We saw 140 new listings, up 18%, which is really good. To sum it up, April 2024 was a remarkable month for Lakeview condo market with a record high sales price and the fastest sales pace yet. Stay tuned for more updates. If you're looking to buy or sell in Lakeview, now is the time. So it seems that condos in Lakeview in Chicago is still super affordable to buy for a prime location with all the things that the neighborhood comes with. Give me a call and let's chat about your options. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels and for the latest market insights. Contact us today for all your real estate needs. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and we serve anytime you give us a call. 773-550-4846.